Let me tell you something that most poultry farmers don't like to hear, that you don't always need drugs to keep your chickens healthy. When I started with my birds, I used to panic. When they start sneezing, I get them drugs. They have low appetite, like not eating well, I also get them drugs. When I also notice slow growth in them, I equally get them another set of drugs. I was spending money but not always getting results. Though sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't, until I discovered something powerful, that some of the best solutions are not in bottles. They are simply nature, plants you can grow right behind your house. And these are not just local remedies, okay? They are backed by research and real farm results. So in today's video, I will share 2 natural boosters I personally use for my birds during stress, sickness, and normal growth. This is lemongrass. It is a widely known plant that grows around us. And this is orange. I am going to use the real orange. That is what I can lay my hands on for now. But you can use lime as well. So let's start with lemongrass. This is one herb that many farmers overlook, but it's very effective. Lemongrass helps to boost your bird's immunity against diseases. It reduces stress and control harmful bacteria in their system. I noticed something when I started using it. My birds became calmer, more active, and more stable, especially during weather changes. During cold mornings or after heavy rainfall, when birds are likely to be stressed, lemongrass water really helps them adjust faster. Now let's talk about orange or lime, whichever one you want to use. This one works very fast, especially when your birds are under stress. Orange is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and support recovery. So if your birds are panting during heat or you just vaccinate them, this is something you can give to them for relief. It also helps improve appetite and keeps them active. But you are to add just a little into their water. Don't overdo it, okay? Because too much can make the water too acidic. So moderation is always the key. From my experience, timing also matters. During stress, lemongrass works well. During heat or after vaccination, lime orange is very